Hello, Papa J Learns Excel here. In this video, I'm going to teach you about search and the find function. Okay, so you might need to use this function once in a while. I don't really use this. Okay, but anyway, let's go through it. Okay, so for the search function, right, it's not case sensitive. Okay, as for the find function, is case sensitive. Okay, that's the only difference. Okay, but other than that, you can use anyone that you like. Okay, so if you're not looking for case sensitive text, you just use search. It's much easier. Okay, so we shall take a look how to use this. Okay, so the first thing is you can use search. Okay, how do we use search? Okay, so when that equals search, right? Okay, you have 3 arguments, but usually we will just use 2. Okay. Okay, the first argument is find text. That means the text that you want to find. For example, Ryan. Okay, and the second argument is the string of text that you want Excel to find for Ryan. Okay, and then the third argument is the start number. So if you don't enter anything over here, you will just start searching from the first character. Okay, but if you want Excel to start searching for from a certain character onwards, you type the number, for example 3, then you start to search for from the third character onwards, which is A. Okay, so without further ado, let's find out how to use this. Okay, so you want to search for Ryan, right? Okay, so we type Ryan. Remember to put the code inside. Okay, and type comma, and then you select this cell over here to search. Okay, then you just close the parentheses. Okay, then you will be able to so you return a value. The value is 1, meaning that on the first instance, on the first character, it finds Ryan. Okay, it finds Ryan. Okay, but for this example, right, we are going to search for spaces. Okay, so how do you search for spaces? We type this, search, and find this. Okay, find this and this, and you return 5. Okay, you return 5. Okay, so 5 is the position of the character, which is over here. Okay, and then we search for, let's say we want to search for the first name, Ryan. Okay, Ryan, which we did just now. Okay, do the same thing, and then we search for last name. Okay, it's pretty easy, right? Okay, search for gigs. Okay, right, and then it returns 6 because gigs is in the 6th position. Okay, and then we can search with this question mark as well. Question mark, question mark means anything followed by the characters that you specify over here. So for example, let's say we want to find GG. Okay, GG. So we can use this question mark GG. All right, and then you return 7. What does this mean? 7. So let's count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7, the seventh character is I. So what did we search for? We search for question mark GG. That means whatever character appears before GG, okay, this is the one that we are finding. Okay, so over here the character before GG is I, so we don't care what character it is, as long as it reaches the character before GG. Okay, you return the value. Okay, now it's very simple. Okay, so let's find a case. Let's use the find function. Find function is case sensitive. So for example, equals to find. Okay, find text. Find Ryan. Okay, find Ryan. Okay, return you 1. Right? Okay, but now if you change the R to small to lowercase, you return you an error, an invalid value. Okay, so if you want to search for, let's go back to the search function. Okay, in this case, we specify that the R is uppercase, right? But let's change it to lowercase. it will still return the value. Okay, so unlike this over here, unlike find over here, okay, you return an error. Okay, you can also try out on numbers, it will give you the same result. Okay, search for 8, right? Now we search for another number. Let's say we search for 6. Okay, search. Okay, as for numbers, right, you don't need to put that in quotes. You can just type the number out, search for 6, and then close parentheses. There you have it, 6. Okay, so that's it for search and find. Is pretty easy. Okay, so Papa J learns Excel here. See you in the next video. Bye.